The lingering crisis between Ukpute and Bonta communities of Oju and Konshisha local councils, which has claimed several lives including military operatives, has left even leaders of the state quite helpless. After several deliberate attempts to bring the crisis to an end, a different strategy was adopted by the state government. It decided to meet communities in their domain. First was the turn of Bonta.
Security men are meant to support us and to provide security for all of us. We who are government officials and they the people themselves. So at no time should what took place here where our security men were attacked ever take place again, because attacking security is attacking yourself. They are here to protect you. Even now, one of the requests from the community is that we should provide security here. So that is the irony of life. And so we must support our security agencies. When they are hungry, let us provide food. When they need anything, let us provide support.
The government delegation then proceeded to the Ukpute community leaders of Oju.
To say that as a government we will continue to do our best. See, we have no benefit in this crisis. You can imagine what you have all said here. The whole of today.
Day before yesterday in the morning, Ukpute family from here, I'm sure you know Mr. Ukpute, some of you that the son was killed, went to collect yams from the farm and they shot him 2 days ago. And because we are from the same family, my mother's side, I was the first person to call. I told you I've been here since yesterday. It's so sad. Thank you for coming. The identification, you have identified with us. Why it pains me is that the Fulanis that are coming and is here, like Libyans and other people, but we are kith and kin. If the Fulanis from somewhere are hurting us, out of our own brothers, we are an endangered species.
I know our grievances is that our father, who is the governor of the state, is long expected. And he has been doing a lot. He can't divide himself. I was almost weeping today that the whole apparatus of government in Benue State has been shut down today because the governor is here, the deputy governor is here, all the senators are here, the National Assembly members are here, and the chief of staff, almost everybody. This is because His Excellency has regard for you. And if a father is speaking to a child and the child will not listen, you are on your own. And I want to believe that as peaceful people, the deed is already done. But something came to my mind. Jesus was crossing and the Bible said there was wave. And Jesus arose and said, peace, be still. He did not bother about what caused the problem, but he brought about peace. We are not here to say who is right and who is wrong. But one thing I want us to know is that the devil is behind all these things that are happening.
There is no way you can do boundary demarcation when peace has not returned to the boundary corridor. So I want to plead that you should ensure that there is police patrol on this route for some time to ensure that peace return to the boundary corridor before the government can mark on the boundary demarcation.
What we want to beg you, we had several meetings with the deputy governor, more than 7. This meeting with the deputy governor, there was a time we had a communique, and it was read that everybody must abide. That did not work. The last meeting we held, we had a communique also, and we all signed. But this killing, silent killings continued. This thing bothers everybody. And I've always opined in all my write-ups to government that they need to send a detachment of mobile police to this place. And the mobile team will generate patrol teams. It will also generate roadblocks from boundary of Konshisha with where to this place. When that happens within 2 or so weeks, you will see that the atmosphere will be conducive for whatever thing they want to do as a solution. That is in terms of demarcation of a boundary.
The deliberation rounded off in Alede town, where both community leaders resolved to end the protracted crisis.
Our meeting here is just to strategize on the follow-up, and we have agreed. One, we shall deploy security, and state government will provide the logistics to give confidence to the occupants. And people who ran away as a result of the crisis should come back to their homes, and farming activities should go on.
We are determined. That is why we spend the whole day appealing to the youth and the communities to do that. And so, like you've listened to all of us, we are on the same page. Both the chiefs, the youths, and those of us who are leaders, political leaders of the both communities, are all joined together in condemning in serious terms, in the strongest of times, that peace must resume between the two communities.
Part of our resolve to bring peace amongst the two communities, myself and Senator Suswam and the governor have agreed that we'll organize a football tournament to create a platform for interaction between the two communities, especially the youths. And we are hoping that with constant interfacing through the football tournament, through sports, they will take life in a sportsmanlike manner, and peace will return to the place.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.